If there is a data breach, we need to know it as soon as possible. The attackers are getting more advanced and it gets more difficult to detect them in your environment. So with the Elastic solution, we were able to write our own detection rules based on our internal processes. If we look at machine learning and the ability in Elastic to detect the attack patterns, so not only looking at a single event, but events that follow each other that are representative of what an attacker does, even helps us more in our use case. Machine learning is a hot topic at the moment. When an analyst gets an alert, it does an investigation and it writes a report, but it writes the report from the context he has in his mind. So when you open a case 2 months later or maybe a year later, you still have all the relevant information. We are obligated to store more and more data. So we have to store that in a cost-effective way. And the Elastic security solutions allows us to do a storage setup, but we also use a lot of what we have in Elastic is frozen storage. With frozen storage, it's a bit like an archive, only the difference is you can still search it. It's a lot cheaper for us to store it in that way. We have the AI Detect Discovery, which makes it for us much easier to see what's going on in the environment instead of following up on all the alerts we get in a manual way. For us, it means we can work much more efficiently, but also the triage where we have the AI assistant that can help our analyst out to find out what's going on in the environment makes it for us that we can work much faster than we used to be. With Elastic Retrieval-Augmented Generation, we can give our users an interface. They can put in the questions and have those questions answered based on our company information without having to train AI models or do anything. Without Elastic as a tool and the partnership we have with Elastic, we wouldn't be able to fill so many data-driven use cases within our company.